this is Chris, and today we have a 2012 Skoda Octavia wagon, stock reference number 4819. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. There's a CAXA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an MBA automatic front wheel drive transmission. CAXA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, left hand headlight, left front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor type, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has one small dent, right hand power door mirror and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior, black cloth center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with phone and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.